This is Dr. Amin. In this video, we will discuss two important theorems on expectations. Those are addition theorem of expectation and multiplication theorem of expectation. Okay, first important theorem is addition theorem of expectation. Addition theorem of expectation. Addition theorem of expectation. This is very important theorem on expectations. So now statement is x and y are two random variables, expectation of x plus y equals to expectation of x plus expectation of y for all expectations provided. All expectations provided. So this is statement for addition theorem of expectation. So from this theorem, expectation of x plus y equals to expectation of x plus expectation of y. That is, the expectation of sum of two random variables equals to some expectations of their individual sum of expectations of their individuals. That is, expectation of x plus expectation of y. Here we are taking expectation for sum of two random variables, that is sum of their individual expectations. This is called addition theorem of expectations for two random variables. Okay. Now, how to prove this addition theorem of expectations? Here, I am considering these two random variables are continuous random variables. So, let x and y are two continuous random variables with joint probability density function f of x comma y and marginal density functions, marginal probability density functions f of x and f of y. So here I am assuming two random variables x and y are continuous with joint probability density function f of x comma y and their marginal probability density functions f of x and f of y. Okay. Now I am taking expectation for sum of two random variables, that is x plus y. From the definition of expectation of x, expectation of x equals to integration minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx for x random variable. Similarly, for y random variable, expectation of y is defined as integration minus infinity to infinity y into f of y dy. Okay, I am taking this is equation 1 and equation 2. By the definition of mathematical expectation, I am taking expectation for two random variables, that is expectation of x plus y. So I am taking two integrals minus infinity to infinity and minus infinity to infinity x plus y into its joint probability density function, that is f of x comma y dx dy. dx dy. I am writing from the definition of mathematical expectation. So expectation of x plus y equals to double integral x plus y f of x comma y dx. Okay. Now minus infinity to infinity, integration minus infinity to infinity x plus x into f of its joint density function plus integration minus infinity to infinity y into its giant probability density function f of x comma y dx dy. For our convenience, I am writing integration minus infinity to infinity, this random variable here, integration minus infinity to infinity, joint density function dy dx. Similarly, integration minus infinity to infinity y into this value, integration minus infinity to infinity, its giant density function f of x comma y dx dy. Okay, now from the definition of marginal density functions, integration f of x comma y dy is f of x. So, integration x into f of x dx plus from the definition of marginal density function of y, integration f of x comma y dx is dy f of y. So, integration minus infinity to infinity y into f of y dy. Now, first term integration x into f of x dx, second term is y into f of y dy. From equation 1 and 2, what is integration of x? That is expectation of x. Similarly, expectation of y. So, I am writing expectation of x plus expectation of y from equation 1 and 2, equations 1 and 2. So, expectation of x plus y equals to expectation of x plus expectation of y. This is addition theorem for expectations. So, in this theorem, I am taking only two random variables x and y. But if there are n random variables x1, x2, x1, x2 and so on xn, then addition theorem of expectation is given by expectation of x1 plus x2 plus and so on xn equals to expectation of x1 plus expectation of x2 plus and so on expectation of xn. Just generalization of this theorem. Okay. So, expectation of sum of n random variables is equals to sum of their individual expectations. Simply it can be written as expectation of summation I equals to 1 to n xi equals to summation I equals to 1 to n expectation of xi. So, this is the generalization of expectation addition theorem of expectations for n random variables. Okay. This is very important theorem. Okay. Similarly, we will prove multiplication theorem of expectations. Okay. Theorem 2, multiplication theorem of expectations. Multiplication theorem of expectations. So, here statement, there are two random variables x and y, then multiplication theorem is given by expectation of xy equals to expectation of x into expectation of y. Okay. So, that is expectation of product of two random variables is equals to product of their individual expectations, and provided all expectations exist. All expectations exist. So, this is the statement of multiplication theorem of expectations. Okay. Now, we will prove in discrete case, either discrete case or continuous case, but I am proving in continuous case. So, let x and y are two continuous random variables. two continuous random variables. Here x and y are two independent random variables. This is most important. Two independent random variables. What is independent random variable? For example, f of x comma y, this is joint density function, equals to product of their marginal density functions. Then x and y are called independent random variables. By using this property, we will prove multiplication theorem of expectation. This theorem completely depends upon this property only. Okay. Now, here x and y are two continuous random variables and x and y are independent random variables. Okay. Expectation of x, y, I am taking expectation for product of two continuous random variables here. Expectation of x, y equals to, by the definition of mathematical expectation, expect integration minus infinity to infinity and integration minus infinity to infinity x, y into its joint density function f of x comma y dx dy. Okay. Now, integration minus infinity to infinity, integration minus infinity to infinity x, y into, here in the statement x and y are two independent random variables. Okay. So, f of x comma y equals to f of x into f of y. So, replace with f of x into f of y dx dy. Here two random variables we have. We are using independence property of expectations. Okay. Now, integration x into f of x dx into integration minus infinity to infinity y into f of y dy. Okay. From the definition of mathematical expectation, integration x into f of x dx is expectation of x into, by the definition of expectation of y, integration y into f of y is expectation of y. Therefore, expectation of xy equals to expectation of x into expectation of y. This is called multiplication theorem of expectations. Okay. Now, that is the expectation of product of two random variables is equals to product of their individual expectations. In this case, I am considering only two random variables. For example, there are n random variables. There are n random variables x1, x2 and so on xn. Then multiplication theorem is given by expectation of x1, x2 and so on xn equals to expectation of x1 into expectation of x2 into and so on expectation of xn. Simply it can be written as expectation of product over I equals to 1 to n xi equals to product over I equals to 1 to n expectation of xi. This is the generalization of multiplication theorem of expectations. In this case, we have proved only for two random variables, but this is for n independent random variables.